What's up, guys? It's your boy E back again with another video, and I have my possible new assistant with me, Ravioli Spaghetti, aka Ollie the G. Ollie, say what's up. Say what's up, buddy. Bob's been slacking lately, guys, and he might get replaced. What do you think about that, Ollie? You up for it? Yeah, okay. Ollie, do your thing. Do your thing, Ollie. Alright guys, we are back and I have to put Ollie down so he can go either poop or play with a frisbee. It's one or the other. So Ollie is leaving the building and you just have Big E now. That being said, we got Luke Zion in the building today. I am reviewing a very, very, very unique chain, something I'm super excited to review, and I've been looking forward to this one. One of my favorite links, it is a Byzantine, but it's not any plain old Byzantine. It is an Oval Byzantine, which is a chain that I have never personally had before. I don't think I've actually ever seen an Oval Byzantine before, but I'm super excited to check it out. I did get this chain in 30 inches. Like I said, it's 8.7. It's made from sterling silver 925 from Italy, and it is 161 grams. So a nice weight on it as well. With that, let us take this out. Here we go. We have the chain right here. Let's put that aside for a second. And we have our usual chromatic Luke Zion sticker right here. So let's put this to the side. Do we have anything else? Nope. So let's put this to the side over here, and here we go.
Here we go!
The 8.7 millimeter Luke Zion Big Byzantine. Listen, guys, lately Luke Zion's been killing it. I mean, all the pieces that I get from him, super fire, super shiny, beautiful pieces. I can already see looking in here. It is a beautiful, beautiful chain. Wow. Yeah, guys, this is incredible. Like, first impressions right here. Wow, okay. So this really is like a flat link over here. This is really cool. This is a really cool take on the Byzantine. Let me get the fancy gloves on for you guys so I can show it to you without the tattoos, so we can just get a focus on that chain. Here we go, guys. This is the 8.7 millimeter.
Hey, bro. I'm good,
bro. You okay?
I'm good, bro. You geeking, bro. I'm good,
bro.
Bro, get hold me. I'm good, bro.
Bro, are you crying, bro?
No, bro. I'm good, bro. I swear to God.
8.7 millimeter Oval Byzantine. Guys, yo, this is super flat and it's super smooth. Like, this link is extremely smooth as a baby's butt. I mean, this thing is really, really nice. I can already see that on the neck. This is probably going to feel amazing. The craftsmanship on this link, I'm going to get some nice close-ups on this, but it is absolutely beautiful the way that this is constructed. Beautiful, beautiful offering. I mean, one thing I love about Luke Zion is the versatility. I love brands that have that kind of versatility, that they go outside of the box and you're not always getting the same plain Jane chain that you get everywhere else. Hey, listen, there's nothing wrong with your staples, right? Everybody wants a rope, everybody wants a Miami Cuban, everybody wants a Franco. I get it. But when you step outside the box over there and you get these, you know, more obscure chains, it's something that I love. Obviously, it's not for everyone. Certain people are more traditional with things, but me being a jewelry enthusiast and somebody that loves jewelry, just a straight up jewelry nerd, jewelry geek, jewelry dork.
Okay, we get it!
This is something that really appeals to me and something that I enjoy. So let's get a weight on this, guys. I think I said it was 161 grams. So let's get out the scales of truth and see if we are at 161 grams. We're zeroed out. Let's get another zero over here. Okay. And let's drop this down. And we are at, oops, I got part of it hanging out over here. There we go. We are at 165.44, so we are actually over as usual with Luke Zion. So we have 165 on this, and let us get a weight. God, this chain is super beautiful, guys. Let's get a measurement on the chain over here really quick. I'm at 0, and God, this is so smooth. 9.25, 8.85, and let's get one more for you guys. 8.7 on the dot. So yeah, right exactly where it's supposed to be, maybe a little bit over, but you know, with Luke Zion, the chains always weigh out proper, they always measure proper. And let's get this thing on neck. I'm actually super excited. Actually, let's take a look at this clasp over here. Super nice end cap, which I love, which you can see right here. Super nice end caps on both sides. Let us get this on neck. Let me take my fancy gloves off for a second. And yeah, guys, this thing is smooth. It's kind of like a snake. It almost reminds me of like a snake. Very like buttery. Very cool. So let me get this clasp up here. Here we go, guys. So this is the 8.7 millimeter Oval Byzantine on neck. And this is super comfortable. Like this flat over here, this like the flat part of the link, I love it. It feels great on neck. It feels super smooth. Like when you slide your hands down this link, it literally feels like if you guys have ever like gone to a zoo or whatever, or you know, in class they bring a snake in for a presentation and nature class or whatever it may be, you ever touch a snake, it literally feels like that. It feels like a python or something like that. Very cool chain. So this is what it's gonna look like on neck. Feels great. Love this chain. So nothing left to do but to rate it, and on a scale of nope to dope, I am going to give the 8.7 millimeter Oval Byzantine an 8.7. Congratulations, Luke Zion. Another wonderful piece. That's why I keep purchasing from you. Definitely an amazing chain. Definitely something you guys should consider picking up. And he also has in a lot of different sizes. So it's not only an 8.7, but there is a full size run on it. I think personally for me that the 8.7 is where I would want to be. I wouldn't want anything smaller, but if you have a smaller build or whatever it may be, you might want to do that. This chain is also could be good for layering. You could put a Miami Cuban with this. You could put a Franco with this possibly, but very nice chain to layer as well if you decide to go smaller on it. So with that being said, guys, sound off in the comments as usual. Please let me know what you guys think, and don't forget to like and subscribe. I appreciate every single one of you guys as always. And with that, this has been the review of the Luke Zion 8.7 millimeter Oval Byzantine link. God, that's a mouthful.
God, that's a mouthful.
And this has been your boy E, and I am out. Peace.